B175 running. Unfortunately, I've had to take the kickstart side plate off because the kickstart quadrant works its way out and jams between the clutch flywheel and the kickstart quadrant cog, so there must be a bush missing, which is a bit of a nuisance. But at least the engine is running and it's ticking over. It's 3 or 4 goes to get going, but I'm blessed that it's actually working and making those strange noises. You can see the bones there, and the little angle filter, and people are always amazed at how thin the tube is on the actual fuel line. So it actually does a very good job. But yeah, we've got a rolling bike. Just put the cable to put on obviously the bushing that's preventing the kickstart quadrant coming out and mashing with the gears. I'm not going to run it too long like this because obviously the gearbox is dry, but it is well oiled thanks to the rebuild. So tomorrow I'll put my cables on, put a new gasket on, put a bush on to keep the kickstart quadrant and sort the wiring, which is a bit of a mess. But yeah, hope to have a working Bantam for